Dark. Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It is wonderful to have you guys here again as always. Today, in this video, I'm going to work on getting this shifter installed. This is the shifter that I've gone and gotten for Ethel's auto conversion. Didn't realise it was a ratchet shifter until I got it. But, it is what it is, I'll make use of it. I was going to try and make like a little box to sink the shifter down. I think I'll just plate over the hole and mount the shifter on top of the plate. I don't know, I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. First things first though is I got to get this thing down to a workable height, so that I can get in the car and work on getting that shifter installed. I have also ordered a set of Chinese or Chinesium bride copies, which I'm going to install at a later date. And I've been working on my rocker situation by making up. So these rockers, they're nothing fancy, they don't look the greatest, but they're going to work for me. These bolts are too long, I still got to cut them down. But they should be pretty good. I'm going to mount the coils across the top here. Get myself a filler cap there and some breathers in the back. And yeah, they should be pretty good. They should solve my rocker issue, which if you follow me on my Facebook page, you'll know. I was having a bit of trouble getting a set of rockers to fit. I did purchase some nice polished ZZP aluminium ones, and I was going to put 12mm spacers on it, but even with the 12mm spacer it still wasn't going to be tall enough, so I figured screw it, I'll just make my own to the height and width I want. And yeah, they didn't come out too bad. They'll get a coat of black or wrinkled black or something along those lines to make them look a little bit nicer. But yeah, on to today's agenda. One auto shifter. I had a bit of a play around with this thing. It feels pretty nice. When I got it, PRND21, set up for a 3-speed. Yeah, not much else to say about it, but it's a ratchet shifter. I got to work out. Oh yeah, looks like it mounts there. I got some wiring stuff I got to work out, which I hate. Yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get that to fit. Anyway, that's enough rambling on nonsense from me. Gonna go and get this thing down and jump in and see what I got to work with. Okay, so geez, it's going to be a tight squeeze. It's been a while since I've been in here. Come on, out you get. I'm gonna remember how to get this sucker out. Like that. Cool. So, don't think this thing's gonna fit somehow. Maybe. I'll do something like that, maybe. Rest it on the transmission. Jeez, what idiot put double-sided tape there? Did you guys hear something? Must be losing my mind. Alright, it works. Well, I think I'm going to end it here today. I've had enough for one day, I think. I'll go and I'll get this buttoned up later. Still got to go and do wiring things like the lights, park neutral safety switch, and reverse switch. I don't know if I'll bother using. I'll probably just use the trans brake button to go backwards. But I'll have to hook it up for reverse lights. Yeah. I think I'm just going to cut this thing up. The pocket was nice, but being able to change gears is a bit nicer. Yeah, well, that's what I'm going to end off in this video today, guys. So it's in there and mounted. Like I said, I got all the wiring I got to sort out, and then I'll get the cover back on it fully, and then I'll hack up that window switch and the trim piece, put it all back together, make it look somewhat prettier, and then yeah, I got to work on getting these crappy seats out and getting ready to go fast again. Well, I hope at least anyway. Anyway, that's going to be it for me in this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to get this finished as well. So, going to be a busy week ahead of me. And then the week after that as well. But yeah, anyway. Well, thank you all for watching. Don't forget, please leave a like and comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Not sure what I will video for the next video. Probably video. Oh, shit. Probably video installing these, as well as starting to make up my new intake manifold. It's probably not going to be for a little while yet. I got a couple of jobs on I gotta get out first. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Don't forget, CO2 the world, unleash the boost, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. That's the sound of naked women. And my phone.